While Iran is moving fast beneath the ground, while America moves fast above it, Tehran is rebuilding missile tunnels and even restoring its hidden strike network. The United States, on the other hand, is rushing more troops into West Asia as fears grow of another escalation. The war may be paused, but the rearming has just begun, it seems. Getting you the latest in this next report.
The ceasefire in West Asia is not an end to hostilities. It is a deadly calm before the next volley. Satellite images reveal that Iran is quietly preparing for the next round of war. Tehran is not just rebuilding, it is evolving. Iran has reportedly started a massive operation to restore its buried arsenal. Under the cover of the recent truce, heavy machinery is clearing ruins. The famed underground missile cities are being reanimated. Satellite imagery reveals tunnels damaged by airstrikes are now open. Buried launchers are being excavated and repositioned for strikes. Washington is deploying additional troops to the region immediately. US intelligence suggests a darker alliance is at play. Reports indicate China may be supplying advanced weaponry to Tehran. Beijing has issued a stern denial regarding these shipments, and the US says it is happy about it.
Well, as you know, President Trump has a very strong and direct relationship with President Xi, and they've communicated on that, and China has assured us that that indeed is not going to happen, and in the spirit of the meeting they'll have next month.
While Beijing may be denying sending weapons to Tehran, it was also quietly helping Iranian forces. During the 40-day war, Iran was struck very hard. Thousands of airstrikes, missiles and heavy bombs. They were dropped on Iran by American and Israeli forces. Iranian military and political leadership was systematically eliminated. Its military bases were struck hard, but despite being battered and bruised, Iranian forces struck back hard. Iranian missiles and drones repeatedly breached the Israeli and American defenses and struck high-value targets. Questions were raised in Western intelligence circles that how was Iran managing such pinpoint attacks? Now it appears that Tehran had eyes in the skies. Reports say that Iran secretly acquired a Chinese spy satellite. It gave IRGC a decisive edge. Iran reportedly used Chinese satellite T-01B. The satellite relayed exact coordinates of US bases in real time to Iranian forces. This helped IRGC to navigate its missiles and drones. The satellite reportedly surveilled the Muwaffaq Salti Air Base in Jordan, locations close to the US 5th Fleet Naval Base in Bahrain's Manama and Erbil Airport in Iraq. This around the time of IRGC claimed attacks on facilities in those areas. However, the reality of the ground suggests Tehran has other sources. The Islamic Republic is rearming faster than recovery estimates predicted. The strategic depth of Iran is proving to be invincible. The mountains of Iran remain the nation's greatest shield. While the West attempts to contain the threat, Tehran is securing its future from deep within the earth. The race to rearm is on by both Iran and the United States.